Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials, Windows Edition, and whether your PC is 32-bit or 64-bit. Then open Device Manager and find the device showing the error. Note its exact model and driver version so you download the correct file. Once done, create a system restore point and back up any important files. This protects you if an update fails. Make sure to download drivers only from the manufacturer, not random sites. This prevents incompatible or malicious. Now download the exact driver for your model from the manufacturer or the Windows Update catalog. If you get a exe, run it. If you get a zip, extract and use the inf via Device Manager's Update Driver Browse My Computer. Once started, run installers as administrator to ensure proper permissions and follow prompts step by step. Make sure to reboot after the installation so Windows loads the new driver. Without a restart, the old driver may remain active. You finish by verifying success in Device Manager. Confirm the device shows no error and note the new driver date and version. If problems persist, roll back the driver, boot into safe mode and reinstall, or run System File Checker with sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files. If still failing, use the manufacturer's diagnostic tool to rule out hardware faults before buying parts. Make sure to document what you changed so you can reverse steps if something else breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.